vain, vain. She is vain about her appearance. He is the vainest man I know. Toil, toil. Factory workers toil long hours. She has toiled away at the violin for years. Afflict, afflict. Severe drought has afflicted the region. Severe allergy afflicted her. Vex, vex. His noisy neighbors often vexed him. Lack of money vexes many. Muse, muse. The beautiful scenery in the lake was my muse. All books are my muse. Impel, impel. The students was impelled to do homework. I was impelled by my parents to not go out. Sight, sight. He cited the quote from the book. The police officer cited the driver for speeding.